So I have made over 1.36 million rupees by selling digital products online, and this is the data from past 12 months. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Indrajit Naik and you are watching Credit Minister. So for those who don't know who I am, let me tell you, my name is Indrajit Naik and I am from India, and I have started my entrepreneur journey on 2020 and have successfully made around $30,000 in my first year. And the best part is that I have made all those $30,000 from an investment of $0. Yeah, if you haven't watched the channel's trailer yet, then do head towards the I button and do watch the video completely after watching this video so that you get an idea about who I am exactly. So why I have created this channel? I have just created this channel to guide you guys to make your first $100 from internet. Before heading towards the main video, I have a small request for you guys to like this video, to share this video, and do subscribe our channel for more such videos. This will motivate me to create such videos for you guys. And one more thing guys, don't skip any section of this video just because each and every section of this video will help you to know how you can sell your digital products online. So without any more further delay, let's start the video. So this video is totally about the process of how I have made around $18,000 by selling digital products online, right? And one more thing guys, that I can't show you the exact product of what I am selling right now just because that product is currently online in the internet and I have some limited budget for testing it into different platforms. So I don't want any kind of competition for that product, right? So I can't show you the exact product, but I will do share the type of product which I am selling right now. So I was selling a course of a dropshipper, and the course has almost 10 modules into it, and the price was around $69, right? It's not 69%, it's $69. And the earlier the price of the course was around $690, and for some limited period of time we just added a coupon code into the website and made it available for the users for around $69. Many of you must be asking that what if I'll sell physical products? So you have to bear three charges for that. First, the platform cost in which you are selling, the marketing cost, right, and also the product cost. But in case of digital product, you do have to bear only two charges. First, the platform cost, and second, the marketing cost. And you will not be charged for the product cost just because you will create that product with your own, and that will increase almost 20 to 30% of profit margin for you. In case of physical product, if you have some kind of 15 to 20% of profit margin, then within digital product you will definitely going to have around 35 to 45% of profit margin, and this is the best part of this, right? So earlier we used to sell the course using the WordPress domain, right? But what we found that we have almost 1% of conversion rate. That is too low for us. So what we did, that we added the domain into the ClickFunnels, and we promote that website using different platforms like Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, Google Ads, and Bing Ads. And we also have used Pinterest ads, but that was not profitable for us at all. So the Google Ads proved to be the final winner for us. So later on we just used to promote the course using Google Ads only, and we haven't used any kind of shopping ads, right? We haven't used any kind of shopping ads, and we don't have to worry about the ban and disabling of account or any kind of such fear, right? We don't have to fear about that. So that is the plus point for us. So what we did is we just get a course from a dropshipper, added it into ClickFunnels, market it through Google Ads. Though we used many ad platforms, but later on we shifted to Google Ads, right? And after that we gathered the customers, right? And guess what is the conversion rate now? We have conversion rate of almost 12%. That is insane. That is insane in case of digital marketing, right? From 1% to 12% is like epic. So let me tell you what is all those things, right? So this is the ClickFunnels. Here you can get a 14-day free trial. I don't have a link for now, else I could give it to you. So most of you must have heard about ClickFunnels, where you can get some kind of funnels like a landing page kind of thing. Here you can see that this whole website is completely made by the ClickFunnels only. You can see that how properly they have designed this website, right? Call to action for every block. You can see here is another call to action, here is another call to action, and this is the best part of this ClickFunnels, right? Just because if you are using WordPress, you don't have so many options to create a call to action for your offer, right? You don't have that much potential with WordPress or even with Shopify, right? You don't have that much potential. But with ClickFunnels or with any funnel builder, right? With any funnel builder, I'm not telling about only ClickFunnels, but even with I guess Builderall is another funnel builder platform, and just like them, you can create and add any amount of call to action in the website, right? This is the plus point for you guys to have funnel builder instead of just normal website builder, right? And here's the proof that I have made around 1.36 million rupees from selling that course, right? Let me show you that this is not fake. As you can see, the data is completely adjustable. As you can see, 1.36 million Indian rupees is equals to $18,500, and we gathered almost 51 customers, and we have some kind of upsells and downsells too. That's why our average value increased more than what the price of the course is, right? If the price of the course is around $69, then we do have upsells which increases our average cart value, right? It is around 1.36 million rupees. I just want you guys to know the process behind what I have done, so that's why I've just shared this short and simple video. So if you want to know the exact process of how I did, I will going to create a free course for you guys to let you know that how I actually made that 1.3 million Indian rupees, right? Do comment below that yes, I want a proper course on this video, and I will going to launch a free course for you guys to teach you that how I exactly sell the course online, right? Using Google Ads and or using Facebook. I will tell each and every method for you guys, though that video must be supposed to be around 1 hour. That's why I am not going to add that part in this video, just because I don't want to make you guys to skip all the sections, all the important sections, right? So this is just the process video of how I managed to sell around $18,000 of course online, right? Using Google Ads. Though in future videos you will definitely going to see the strategies behind all these things, but if you want a separate course, then do comment, right? And this is it for today's video. If you do like this video, then do give a thumbs up to this video and do share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon too. This will motivate me to create more videos as usual, right? I have said this earlier, right? So till then, it's Indrajit Naik signing out. Bye.